Now come to example number 2, sorry, lecture number 2. Okay, next example some side will go. Page number 64, example number 20. I hope exercise example, I hope whatever example I have explained 17, 18, 19 for exercise 25 or 26, I hope you have understood. It's very easy, just you have to find the write the multiples and you have to find the common multiple. After that you have to find the least common. When you will find a common multiple, easily you can find the lowest common multiple. In common multiple, whatever the lowest number will be there, that will be your answer. 64, example number 20, but topic is LCM by prime factorization method. LCM by prime factorization method. LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, so we will see the prime factorization method, how to see. Let's see. Like 4, in this 4, there is 2 to 9, there is 3 into 3, 9. In 16, there is 2 into 2 into 2. We can write this all number like this way. When you will find the LCM or prime factorization of 16, you will get 4 2. So can I write this? See, there is 2 2. It means 2. How many 2 is there? 2. So with the power of 2, we say that 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2. Okay. There is 2 2. First, in this 2 is there, so write 2. How many number is there? 2 numbers, so give the power 2. Here number is 3. How many total number is there? 2, so give the power 2. Do not give the power of 3. See, whatever number is there, that you will write. Here 2 is there, so 2. Here 3 is there, so 3. But how many total number is there? 2, so power 2. How many total number is there? Power 2, so power 2. In this number is what? All number is 2, so write 2. Now see how many number are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4. So give the power of 4. So I can write 2 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 2. Okay? Or we can write 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 to the power 4 of 4. Okay? Now we will come for examples. Example number 20 we will see in this. So come to example number 20. Find the LCM of 60 and 75. Find the LCM of 60 and 75. Come to solution. So first find the prime factorization of 60. Always start from the small table. So table of 2, 60 will come 30 times. In the table of 2, 30 will come 15 times. Now in the table of 3, 50 will come 5 times. In the table of 5, 5 will come 1 time. So factorization of 60 is what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So now we can write this. 2 is there, so 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 5. Whenever you find same number 2 times, then you can give the common out. Okay, it should be always in pair. Pair means it should be always into 2. Pair means 2. Now when you find 2 into 2 into 2, okay, pair of 2 or pair of 3, it should be more than 1. So what you will write? 2 to the power 3, but here is 2 2, so I have written 2 to the power 2. Here is only 1 3, so we have not given any power. Now come to 75. In the table of 2, 75 will not divide. Table of 3, 25. Table of 5, 25. Table of 5, 1. So prime factorization of 75, 3 into 5 into 5. So 3 into 5 to the power 2, because 2 5 is there. Now this is done. Now we will find. Now we have to find the LCM actually. Okay, so how we will find the LCM? See. So So take the lowest common multiple. So say in this and we have this number. So LCM of 60 and 75, or you will write it here 2t to power 2, here no number is there, so you have to take that, so 2 to the power 2. Okay, now here is also 3, here is also 3, so you will not take both 3, you will take only one 3. Now see, here is 5, but here is 5 to the power 2, so this is 5 and power is more, so you will take this 5 to the power 2. Now multiply, 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2, 3, 5 into 5. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60 and 65, and 60 into 5 is 300. So LCM of 60 and 75 is 300. Again, I know you will get confused here, so here you have to be careful. See, here 2 to the power 2 is there, here no 2 is there, so you have to take LCM, you have to take all number, okay, but whose power is more, you will take that number. Here 2 to the power 2 is there, here no 2 is there, so we will take this number. So see, here also 3 to the power 1 here also 3 to the power 1 only. Single 3 means 3 to the power 1, single 5 means 5 to the power 1. Here single 3 is 3 to the power 1. See, in both 3 is there, so we will take only one. Okay, now come to third number. Here 5 to the power 1, here 5 to the power 2. So whenever common number is there, okay, whenever common number is there, you have to choose which power is more. This power is 1, this power is 2. That's why I have taken 5 to the power 2. Now 2 to the power 2 means 2 number 2 2. So 2 into 2, 3 to the power 1 means 1 3. 5 to the power 2 means 2 5. Now all multiply and you will get 300. Okay. Now we will move to example number 21. Find the LCM of 16, 24 and 36. This is the next example. Find the LCM of 16, 24. Find the LCM of 16, 24 and 36. Now come to solution. Okay, 16, 24 and 36. So first find the prime factorization of 16. So 2 times 8 16, 2 times 8 4 8, 2 times 2 4 and 2 times 2 1. So 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into, always I decide. So 4 2 is there, 4 2 means 2 is there, 4 numbers, so put the power 4. Come to 24. 12, 6, 3 and 3. So 24 prime factorization is 1, 2, 3 2 is there and 1 3. So there is 3 2. So 2. How many 3 is there? 3. So give the power 3. 1 3 is there. So I have added 3. Now come to 36. 18, 9, 3, 1. So prime factorization of 36 is what? 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. Okay, got it? Now the LCM of 16, 24 and 36 will be 6. Here 2 to the power 4, here 2 to the power 3 and here 2 to the power 2. So I told you whenever you find common number in this, so here also 2, here also 2 and here also 2. So I told you see the power. Here power is 4, here power is 3 and here power is 2. So whenever you find common number and which power is more, you have to take that number. So I will take 2 to the power 4. Now this and this will be cancelled. Okay. Now after that no number is there. Now come to this number. Here 3 to the power 1 is there. Here 3 to the power 2 is there. So in both 3 is there. But I told you always take the number whose power is more. So here its power is 2. So take 3 to the power 2. Now Now 2 to the power 4 means 4 times 2. Okay? And 3 to the power 2 means 2 times 3. 4 power 2 times 4. 2 power means 2 times 3. Now all multiply. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, into 3 48, and 48 into 3 will be 144. So LCM of 16, 12 and 16, 12 and 36 will be 144. Okay, so with the help of this example you can easily solve exercise 27. So in next classes I will go for example sums for exercise 28. So for now, goodbye to all of you.